You turn the key in the ignition expecting your engine to roar to life, but instead you get nothing but endless cranking, or maybe your car starts but the transmission immediately shifts erratically while a cluster of warning lights glare at you from the dash. If your diagnostic tool reveals a P06AB code, you are dealing with a malfunction in the internal temperature sensor B circuit for your engine or transmission control module. Modern vehicles are entirely controlled by these sophisticated metal brains, which constantly process millions of data points every second. Processing all that data generates a massive amount of internal heat. To keep the delicate circuit boards from literally melting down, these modules have internal temperature sensors monitoring their own thermal health. When the computer runs a self-test and sees a completely erratic voltage signal coming from this internal temperature circuit, it immediately goes into a strict panic mode. Depending on your specific vehicle, the computer might completely disable the fuel and spark to prevent further damage, leaving you totally stranded with a no-start condition. The absolute biggest mistake people make when they see this code is immediately assuming the entire expensive computer module is fried and ordering a costly replacement. Before you fire the parts cannon, you have to realize that these modules rely entirely on a stable electrical ground and clean power to read their internal sensors accurately. You need to grab a flashlight and carefully inspect the thick grounding straps that connect the engine block to the vehicle chassis and the ground wires bolted near the computer itself. A loose, heavily rusted, or totally snapped ground strap will cause massive voltage spikes that confuse the internal temperature sensors and trigger this exact code. You should also unplug the main wiring harness connectors going into the control module and look closely for any green powdery corrosion on the metal pins. Water intrusion from a clogged cowl drain can easily ruin a connection. Grab your digital multimeter and verify that you have absolute zero resistance between the module casing and the negative battery terminal. By taking the time to clean a corroded chassis ground or fix a simple damaged wire, you can often save yourself thousands of dollars and keep your original factory computer right where it belongs.